in previous episode, we knew that the Sammy and the team uh, died, and so Lincoln and also mm, they because they tried to hold Michael and Brent, and in this current episode, we know Michael and Brent have been cooperating to escape themselves, and also um, they try to make uh, to break the hole, and after that, but they have problem because the rain so hard, and the water come into the hole, and they can clear it. And about Lincoln and Sukri, known by Susan, because because of Sukri, uh, he because of Sukri has known by Susan. He takes the bomb in her car, and after that they make the plans, and Susan give them the over by called Susan, and then he called Whistler that Susan was caught by her, and after that Susan, Lincoln, and Sophie. Uh, Lincoln, Susan, and Sophie come to the prison, and after that they talk and have a deal, uh, and then they try to escape themselves, and Lincoln helped them. Lincoln helped them to run out, but um, he stops the bus in the bus stop, and then he drives the bus, and then she jumps from the bus to make the car hit the electrical, and after that the electric was turned off, and I think in next episode, Michael and Frank can escape themselves because the situation support them. Okay, this all from me. Thanks for your attention.